How you doing, everyone? Brad here again. It's another vlog. So today we are exploring the Phra Khanong Canal. I'm going to try and follow it as far as I can from the BTS Green Line and Sukhumvit Road and see if I can walk along it to the MRT Yellow Line on Srinagarindra Road. Let's go. Yeah, I got no idea, man. It is the name of the temple tattooed on his chest, though. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Okay, so I have found probably one of the most hyper-local temples I have ever seen. To me, there appears to be no rhyme or reason as to how this temple is organised and set up. I am sure, however, that to the locals, everything fits where it should, everything works how it should, and everyone can get done what they need to when they come here. This is a great little temple. This is awesome. I love it. Looks like you can even rent some cozies, get your photo taken in traditional Thai gear. All right, we're going to keep going. It looks like it's going to rain today, so look, I'm probably going to get smashed. But I'm too far along now to turn back, so let's keep going. Yep, here we go. Got smashed. I couldn't quite get on at the start of the canal. Back there at Wat Mahabut, I ran out of pathway. And there was no bridge to get across the canal. So we're just doubling back up to Soi 17 and then we can turn off there and get back onto it there. Whew. Phew, this first walkway looks a bit iffy. I don't know. I'll climb up here. Yep. Okay, so Phra Khanong, everyone. Like a lot of the canals in Bangkok, this one would have begun as a transport route. Looks like it'd be okay to cycle on this, but not sure about the... you wouldn't want to be a wobbly rider, yeah? You don't want to go flipping off the right side of this thing. This canal is not touristy at all. This one's a lot more laid back. And again, I kind of feel like I'm walking through people's backyards. One thing I am grateful to the rain for, though, is temperatures dropped about 10 degrees. It's very pleasant now. I don't want to have to go over to the other side of the canal. I want to stay on this side. while there's a lot of the characteristics of these Wats are the same, every single one is still different. Every single Wat has its own local feel, local touches. It's what makes them as unique as fingerprints, mate. Looks like I can't get out through here. Let's see if we can find a way around this. So I'm only about halfway through. That rain lost a bit of time there. Keep going. This is Wat Thong Nai. I was just passing through this one on the way to get back onto the canal. I found myself passing through yet another Wat. There's some very big fish darting around in this. Now, this is an example of the real estate you'll find along Phra Khanong Canal. It's certainly seen better days. Not one, two satellite dishes. Whoa, is that a croc or a monitor? Big. There it is. What are you scared of, big guy? I'm more likely to run from you, mate. This is the Al-Kubro Mosque. It's a little bit out of the way. Found it though. And you hear that? Exactly. It's getting close to dinner time, right? Every home I'm walking past is cooking something. It's driving me crazy. Okay, here's one of these very ancient up and overs. Tripping. Oh wow. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, that is probably one of the best walks I have ever done. I'm gonna have to come back. We've made it to the end with like 6% battery left. Alright, so this is the end. Alright, so the train coming over the bridge right now, that's the MRT yellow line. That log jam of a road underneath it, that is Srinagarindra Road. Oh, well, that had a bit of everything. That was a good walk, that, really enjoyed it. It's definitely one I'm gonna have to go back and do it again. Not for a little while though. So that's it for this video, everybody. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, you'll get a little joy in your life. We all need it. Catch you on the flip side. Peace.